Alright, another little update on the Bronco. Been working on it by myself. You know, your friends, they only want to work for nothing for so long, then you lose them. But anyways, I've been working by myself, so that required cutting and bending and holding everything myself. But anyways, doing that, we still ended up pretty good. My patchwork and this whole Bronco now is patched together with steel. That is welded really well there on this side and underneath and around. We also got our shifter in, which was really simple. You know, you cut a hole in the floor. Let me pull this unit off here. Cut a hole in the floor. And it comes with this piece from Tom's Bronco, the shifter, the instructions, the levers. You know, pretty much done in about an hour or so. So it doesn't require much at all. And it's step by step. It's really simple. It was great. 2 thumbs up on that one. Woo! 1, 2. We have since priming up the hood and done a little work to the motor. I'll show you that later. But right now we are working on putting in the roll bar. So I don't have anybody to help me anymore, so I bought this from Harbor Freight for $44. And you put a piece of pipe in here. You can set your angles. I'm just going straight this time. Hook it up to either your drill press or your hand drill, and away you go. I got it clamped down here, and we're gonna give it a try. Let's first time ever. Done. The only thing anybody recommended was to make sure you do buy yourself a good bit, and probably should put some oil on there. But look at that. That is worth every penny. And got this thing going. I'm making movies. Alright, so with that tool I was able to make those cuts I showed you. And with a couple of magnets from Harbor Freight, of course, we kind of get the mock-up going here. I got to measure and get these heights equal. Tough time to figure out where the roll bar should actually go, so it's not going to hit anything, because I've never had this top on this truck. It looks pretty high. It really does look high. But I measured, and it looks like 43 inches to the roof, and this is only 42. It gives me an inch, so hopefully it should be alright. Anyway, so I'm at the point now where I'm going to make some tacks here and here. I've checked. If I drill holes, I've got places I can nut and bolt all around. And so this roll bar is just for looks. It's only bolted into the body. It's not really into the frame, but I think it's going to look pretty cool. And that's what's going on there. So it can be done. It can be done with a few tools and a little welder and not too bad. So now let's get those welding skills of mine working. Alright, here's the roll bar out. Shot of it out. Just going to do a couple of things. I'm going to cut these bottoms off and shorten it about a ½ inch. I'm a little nervous about the height up here. And then this is at 7. This is at 6 3/4, so I got to bring this down a little bit. But you know, we just tacked it, got an idea what's going on, and looks pretty damn good. Looks pretty good. Loving it. Yeah. Lowering this roll bar. So using a hose clamp so I can get a straight cut. Just take a ½ inch off just to make up for the floor heights and the bottom height, and just don't want to get it all done and not be able to get the roof on in the middle of the winter. Alright, here's a shot of it. Mocked up. Well, not mocked up, but welded. But not the finished weld. Everything has been measured 3, 4, 5 times, changed a couple times. But let me tell you something, it's a real sense of accomplishment. Even though, like I repeat over and over, I'm not a welder or body guy, any kind of licensed mechanic or anything. Just out having some fun. What the heck were the engineers designing when they put that windshield wiper mount way up there? But I've got the mount to lower it, and I'm going to put the top on, so next shot should be a little bit more completed. But overall, not too bad, huh? Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Got a couple little hood adjustments I'm going to make. But there she is.